morning. Today's topic is about permeability of layered soils. In soil mechanics and foundation engineering, you must know how much water is flowing through a soil in unit time. This knowledge is required to design earth dams, determine the quantity of seepage under hydraulic structures, and dewater before and during the construction of foundations. Permeability is defined as the capacity of soil to allow water passes through it. That is, quantity of flowing for a unit of soil surface under a pressure of 1 unit hydraulic gradient. Soils are permeable due to the existence of interconnected voids through which water flow from points of high energy to the points of low energy. A soil is highly pervious when water can flow through it easily. In an impervious soil, the permeability is very low and water cannot easily flow through it. Rocks are impermeable. The study of the flow of water through permeable soil media is important in soil mechanics. The following applications illustrate the importance of permeability in geotechnical design. Permeability influences the rate of settlement of a saturated soil under load. The design of earth dams is very much based upon the permeability of soils used. The stability of slopes and retaining structures can be greatly affected by the permeability of the soils involved. Filters made of soils are designed based upon their permeability. The following factors affect the permeability of soil. Particle size, void ratio of soil, properties of pore fluid, shape of particles, structure of soil mass. The following factors affect the degree of saturation, absorbed water, entrapped air and organic impurities in water, temperature, stratification of soil. Particle size. The permeability varies approximately as the square of grain size. It depends on the effective diameter of the grain size. Void ratio. Increase in the void ratio increases the area available for flow. Hence, permeability increases for the critical conditions. Properties of pore fluid. Pore fluid pore fluids are fluids that occupy pore spaces in a soil or rock. Permeability is directly proportional to the unit weight of pore fluid and inversely proportional to the viscosity of pore fluid. Shape of particles. Permeability is inversely proportional to the specific surface. Example, as angular soil have more specific surface area compared to the round soil, therefore the soil with angular particles is less permeable than the soil with round particles. Structure of soil mass. For same void ratio, the permeability is more for flocculant structure as compared to the distended structure. Degree of saturation. The permeability of partially saturated soil is less than that of fully saturated soil. Adsorbed water. Adsorbed water means a thin microscopic film of water surrounding individual soil grains. This water is not free to move and hence reduces the effective pore space and thus decreases coefficient of permeability. Entrapped air and organic impurities. The organic impurities and entrapped air obstruct the flow and coefficient of permeability is reduced due to their presence. Temperature. As the viscosity of the pore fluid decreases with the temperature, the permeability increases with temperature as unit weight of pore fluid does not change much with change in temperature. Stratification of soil. Stratified soils are those soils which are formed by layer upon layer of the earth or dust deposited on each other. If the flow is parallel to the layers of stratification, the permeability is maximum, while the flow is in perpendicular direction occur with minimum permeability. The water flow is divided into two categories: laminar flow and turbulent flow. Range of validity of Darcy's law. Darcy's type of flow is stable in character as long as the four basic conditions are always satisfied. The steady state is laminar flow, 100% saturation, flow fulfilling continuity conditions. No volume changes occur during or as a result of flow. The discharge velocity based on the gross cross-sectional area of the soil. However, the actual velocity of water through the void spaces is greater than nu. a relationship between the discharge velocity and the seepage velocity. If the quantity of water flowing through the soil in unit time is Q, then Q is equals to A mu A V nu S. Nu S is seepage velocity, AV is the area of void in the cross section of the specimen. An estimate of actual velocity is referred to as the seepage velocity can be made by considering the following equation, and this is the equation. Range of validity of the Darcy's law. Darcy's type of flow is stable in character as long as the four basic conditions are always satisfied. The steady state is laminar flow with no changes in hydraulic gradient, 100% saturation and no air bubbles in the soil voids. Flow fulfilling continuity conditions, no volume changes occur during or as a result of flow. The total cross-sectional area of soil mass is considered. Hydraulic conductivity. Permeability is also known as hydraulic conductivity. Hydraulic conductivity marked as K or K values is one of the principal and most important soil hydrology characteristic, and it is an important factor in water transport in the soil, and it is used in all equations for groundwater flow. The value of hydraulic conductivity varies widely from different soils for different soils. The hydraulic conductivity of unsaturated soils is lower and increases rapidly with the degree of saturation. The coefficient of permeability also varies with temperatures upon which the viscosity of water depends. The coefficient of permeability can also be represented by the equation. This is the equation. Typical value of saturated soils are given in the following table. Clean gravel 100 to 1.0 centimeter per second. Coarse sand 1.0 to 0.01 centimeter per second. Fine sand 0.01 to 0.001. Silty clay 0.001 to 0.00001, and clay much lesser than anything. Several empirical equations for estimating K have been proposed in the past. Some of these are K is equals to C D square, D10 square for dense or compacted sand, and for medium to fine sand. Hydraulic conductivity K is a measure of soil permeability. K is determined in the lab using two methods: constant head method, falling head test. K is usually expressed in centimeter per second. Hydraulic conductivity is also known as coefficient of permeability. Thank you.